You're hard to talk to with that wall around you. Don't look at me that way.
Are you having trouble
What
sleeping?
can I
No,
do
that's all cold as.
to build that bridge to find
Something's
you?
wrong, Ray.
I'm good,
Don't
babe.
know what to
Ain't
say. Come on and open up my love. Why don't you tell me what's really on your mind? Come on and open up my love. Tell me what you need so we don't have this fight. Come on and open up my love. I know it's a front you've been hiding behind. Come on and open up my love. Why don't you tell me what's really on your mind? I know you want to do that thing you always do. You get in your head, when that door stays shut, it puts this space between us. You make it hard to guess. Come on and open up my love. Why don't you tell me what's really on your mind? Come on and open up my love. Tell me what you need so we don't have this fight. Come on and open up my love. I know it's a front you've been hiding behind. Come on and open up my love. Why don't you tell me what's really on your mind? I don't believe
This isn't you.
the last thing
This
that
isn't the
I
man I
said.
married.
The
It's the
real
man I found.
reason you're so upset. Come on and open up my love. Why don't you tell me what's really on your mind? Come on and open up my love. Tell me what you need so we don't have this fight. Come on and open up my love. I know it's a front you've been hiding behind. Come on and open up my love. Why don't you tell me what's really on your mind? Hello, open up.
Yeah, baby, it's me. The man you married.
Welcome home.